What's up, car enthusiasts and luxury lovers? Welcome to a realm where automotive opulence meets exhilarating open-air performance. Today, we're not just looking at a car, we're witnessing a statement, a masterpiece, the Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram. This isn't merely an SL, it's the SL, elevated to the stratospheric levels of Maybach luxury. Prepare yourselves for the ultimate convertible experience. From the very first glance, the Monogram Series distinguishes itself. This car screams exclusivity. You'll immediately notice the two-tone exterior, a signature Maybach touch, often seen in striking combinations like obsidian black metallic over manufactured garnet red or moonlight white magno. But it's the details that truly mesmerize. The illuminated Maybach radiator grille with its intricate vertical slats, the subtle yet pervasive Maybach pattern meticulously applied to the bonnet, sometimes with over 300 individual logos, even on the fabric soft top and roof cover. The rose gold accents in the headlights, and the iconic standing Mercedes star on the hood all declare this is something profoundly special. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of unparalleled luxury. This is a first-class experience for two, where every surface is a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is swathed in manufactured crystal white Napa leather, often with a unique, intricate floral stitching pattern that's simply breathtaking. Technology here is seamlessly integrated to enhance comfort and control. The MBUX infotainment system comes with Maybach-specific animations and display styles, offering intuitive voice control, touchscreen functionality, and haptic feedback. Imagine using the AirScarf neck-level heating on a cool evening, or enjoying the personalized comfort of the multi-contour massage seats. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. Underneath that exquisitely patterned bonnet lies a potent 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, churning out a formidable 577 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This power, channeled through a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive, allows this grand tourer to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.0 seconds, with an electronically limited top speed of 161 miles per hour. The Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram is more than a car, it's a statement of ultimate luxury, a wearable piece of high-end design that happens to have a powerful engine and an open sky above. While official pricing varies by market, expect the Mercedes-Maybach SL 680 Monogram Series to command a significant premium, likely starting in the neighborhood of $250,000 and upwards. It's a testament to the fact that for some, luxury knows no bounds, and the open-air experience should be nothing short of breathtaking. What are your thoughts on this ultra-luxurious convertible? Let us know in the comments below.